Welcome to King Tech Universe. We can make in this video. We can make a shuttle clock. Select front plane. Select front plane. Sketch. Here we can draw one line from the center to this upper, and take it horizontal, and take here and make an arc. Okay, escape. Here give a smart dimension. Here will be 15 mm. Okay, this will be 15, this will be 10. Okay, and select this line and this curve, make it tangent. Okay, this line and this circle, make it tangent. Okay, escape. 10, 15. This curve, this point and this point, coincident. Okay, smart dimension. Here it will be 25. Okay, escape. Don't look like this. Anyway, easily sketch features, revolve boss base. Select this center. Okay, here we can make a hole here. Then choose again front plane, sketch. Front plane sketch. Okay. Draw one line from this line to make it here. Okay, escape it, and make one center line. Draw one center line from this to this center. Okay, escape, and give a smart dimension from here to this line. It will be 9.75. Okay, and here to this center it will be 108. Okay, and here we can make this line as a for construction. Okay, escape, and give a smart dimension from this to this. It is 88.7. It will be 88.7 or 88.7. Okay, here we can create it in this one, and smart dimension, reference plane, center line, second line, center line, front plane, angle. Okay, exit sketch. Select reference plane, select this line. First select the center line, second front plane, and second front plane. Okay, and front plane angle will be 79. Okay, mid. Okay, right click. Okay, then select sketch, convert entities, make this line as convert entities. Okay, select and make again this line as a for construction. Okay, make this line as a construction line, center line, convert entities. Okay, and draw here one line. Escape. Draw here one line, this line to upper, and make it horizontal. Okay, escape. Give a smart dimension. This will be 0.75. Enter. Okay. Step revolve cut. Then use exit sketch features. Here revolve cut. Okay. Yes. Make it revolve. Yes. Okay, it will be created. Look like this. Step select a circular pattern. Here we can make a circular pattern. In circular pattern, select this hole and make 20 numbers, and in here see this face 20 numbers. Okay, created. Yes, okay, this will be created. 20 numbers. In step 4 we can create a figure. Again select this plane, put figure. Again select this plane, sketch. Convert entities, convert entities. Again this line will be converted. This line will be convert entities, convert entities. Okay, this line, okay, convert entities. Okay, make for construction, okay. Select line and you draw here to vertical one and make some angle and attach this line. Okay, escape. Okay, give a smart dimension from this point to this point. It will 0.75. Enter. And this point to this point, it will be 0.25. Enter. Okay. Revolve boss base. Smart dimension, exit sketch, features, revolve boss base. Yes. Here we can the entities will be not merged. Okay. Okay. It will be created. Then again we can create one feeder. Here select plane 1 sketch and select again plane 1 and sketch it. Okay, here convert entities, again convert entities, and the center line will be for construction. Okay, it will be connected. Select line and draw here to here one and make some distance from this end point to this line. Okay, make some distance. The angle between this line and the center line, it will be 12.5. and okay, select fillet, make a fillet this line to this line, it will be 10 mm. Okay, and smart dimension this point to this center line, control smart dimension here, it will be good. Okay, use smart dimension this point to this line, it will be 7.6. Enter. Okay, and this point to this point, it will be 47. Enter. Okay, again this point to this end point, it will be 0.2. Enter. Okay, it will be created. Again select this one and select this line and this line, control this circle and this line, mirror it, mirror entities, mirror about center line. Okay, look like this. And here extrude boss base, exit, go to features, extrude boss base, make a mid plane and it will be 0.5 mm thin. Okay, 0.5 mm thin. Okay, it will be created. And here we can make a circular pattern of these two are this revolve and this boss base, boss extrude. We can make a circular pattern. Here we can choose 20 numbers. Okay, and in direction we can select this edge, it will create it. Okay, right click. Okay, it will be created. Okay, and on the geometry pattern, yes, it will be a shuttle clock. We can hide this plane.
Hello.
Okay, we can create it this much. Here we can assign again select front plane, sketch. Okay, convert entities. Here select draw one center line here, draw one center line or escape. Convert entities this line for construction. Okay, and again convert entities for construction. Again this line. Okay, and two circles. We can make two circles. Draw here one and again here one. Okay, escape. Make a smart dimension. Escape. Make a smart dimension. This will be 2 mm. Enter. Okay, and here to here distance, it will be 10. Okay, and this line to this point, it will be 10. Enter. Okay, it will be made it possible. Escape and make this circle and this circle, it will be equal. Okay, and exit sketch features revolve washes. No. Cancel. No, revolve washes. What are these axis? Okay, 360 degree and right click. Yes, okay, it will be created. We can make give the appearance. Here, go to appearance, go to rubber matte glossy structure, matte rubber. Make this is matte rubber only. This revolve one. Okay, and, select appearance. Go to solid, glass no, solid. Here we can make this as this all does circular pattern red. Okay, and also copy this, copy appearance and select this and paste. Okay, paste appearance. Okay, and here I go to again, here also paste. Okay, and select this and go to appearance again. No, go to color, make a violet. Violet. Okay, and make this one. Select this. This one. हरे हरे सीते हरे अम्बे तकदीर से लड़ाई होते तकदीर की. Okay, look like this. It is beautiful. This is a shuttle clock. How we designed it. Please subscribe. King Tech Universe, and we can add again basic models of Solidworks. Thank you, and we can save this as a shuttle clock. Okay, save it. Close. Okay, and